All right, we're here today with Bill, and Bill's about to start his treatment with Dr. Davis. So, Bill, you're here for your knee.
Yep.
Can you give me a little bit of background about that knee?
I've had multiple surgeries with scope surgeries with removing some torn meniscus, some arthritis issues in there, and it's been hampering me for almost 30 years.
Wow, so for 30 years you've been dealing with that knee?
Yes.
Yeah. So what's it holding you back from doing that you like to do so much?
It's just getting aggravating that things are stiffening up, like we've mentioned. I'm sitting for a long period of time, can't move for a minute or so. When you get off a plane, boy, you gotta shake it off before you start moving.
Yeah.
And I can't kneel on that leg. I don't get full range of motion out of that leg. So hopefully we can.
That's what we're here to take care of today, right?
Right.
All right. So I know your discomfort level is pretty low. It's not that it's causing you pain. Your chief complaint is that it's not bending.
Yeah, it doesn't function properly.
Right. Even after the surgeries that they've done, it's still just not working right.
Yeah, the surgery will work for a year or two, and then it just progressively gets worse.
And it just lets you know that it's still there.
Absolutely.
All right, we're going to do a couple different exercises. So the first thing I'm going to have you do is I'm just going to have you stand up for me. Did you feel any discomfort when you did that?
Just a tweak.
Okay, and where did you feel it at?
Right here.
Right there. Okay, perfect. All right, so I'm going to have you put your feet shoulder length apart, arms straight out in front of you, keeping your heels on the ground. I'm going to have you squat down for me. Slowly come up. Any discomfort there?
Yeah, a little bit.
And same spot?
A little pulling, yeah.
Yep, it's starting to pull on there.
I got down to that point where I won't go anymore.
Yep, so it's locking you from going all the way down.
Correct.
All right, let's go up and down those stairs. All right, and back up. All right, so how was the stairs?
Stairs are fine.
That's not an issue.
No,
Yeah.
I don't bend enough to make it an issue.
Okay.
The bending motion isn't quite as deep.
Yes, okay, so it's kind of it's stiff whenever you're going up and down.
Correct.
All right, you ready to get started?
I am.
Let's do it. All right, Bill, ready
Here
for a
we
walk
go.
down the hallway. Do 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 do. Don't go out the back door. Does it feel different?
It feels fabulous. It really does.
Feels a lot different. What makes it feel different?
I feel like I'm gliding.
Smoother movements. You're not
Yes.
feeling you're catching.
I don't feel like. Feels like you took like 5 years off my legs.
Because they're working like they're supposed to now.
I'm not kidding you.
Little spring in your step now?
Yeah, we're going dancing tonight.
He's going dancing. All right, we're back with Bill. Bill's finished his procedure with Dr. Davis. So, Bill, can you stand up for me? How's that?
That is awesome.
Easy peasy, right?
Yes, it is.
All right, feet shoulder length apart, arms straight out in front. How low can you go? Whoa, that's lower than the bench.
Yes,
And it was fast, too.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, let's do the stairs. Jeez, you're fast. So what changes have you noticed, Bill?
Quite a spring in my step.
Yeah.
My legs feel a little bit looser.
Right.
Feel a little younger. That's what it feels like.
Because that joint is moving smoother now. It's not.
Yeah.
Because that was your chief complaint, was it wasn't bending right.
It wasn't bending right. Yeah.
You happy with today?
It feels really good.
Woohoo! All right. Good job.